You can save elements that you want to use lots of times in the design of your easy pages, and in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's say I want to save this element here, which is a box that contains various different elements, and it took me a little while to set that up, but let's say I want to use that on multiple other pages or sections. So first of all, I go ahead and I click these dots at the top of the element itself, and I go to the option that says save as an element. Next up, I give my element a name. So let's say this is a garden demo box and click save. So now that element is saved within my easy site, and I can use that on this page or any other pages I want to very quickly. Let me show you how to do that. If I go ahead and add a section and then go to my saved elements on the side menu, I can choose the box that I have just created. And you can see how quickly it was for me to use that item, and you can do that literally on any page in your site.